Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a watermark from videos using CapCut on mobile. So if you don't want a pesky watermark ruin your video, this is how you are going to do it on CapCut mobile. First, you can just open the videos with watermark. Okay, add it into the CapCut timeline. Now click on the video and you can just duplicate it and make one of the video as overlay. So there are two videos on top of each other. Now you can just go to effects, video effects, and here click on the blur effects here. Adjust the intensity of the blur and make sure that it applies to all of the clips. Okay, now you can just click on the overlay and find the masking tool. So swipe until you find mask. Choose the rectangle options and go to where the watermark is. Position the masking to the watermark like this. Click on invert and adjust the position. Hit on a check icon, and if you want to, you can also adjust the intensity of the blur again by clicking on the effects and click on adjust like this, and just like that, now the watermark will be removed. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.